Hey up, I've done quite a bit. Cut myself. Not a lot, but I haven't been putting my gloves on like I tell people to do. But I've done quite a bit. And I didn't record it because it just repeats a little bit of other stuff. I do that. I realise I start harping on about all sorts of garbage, don't I? But this is really good. Co-op. But look what I've got going now. It's great. I wouldn't surprise us. Well, it's not a surprise in these times, is it, at the moment? Train set places are selling out of gear. So there must be, I'm so glad I got this set up. It's been a godsend for me. Like instead of spending ages in bed and ages in bed, I just spend a long time in bed, and I dabble with this because it's getting better and better, and I can see what it's going to be like. There'll be another board down this side to the door, and there could even be some behind the door, you know, because it'll be on a latch or hinges or whatever. Anyway, look at this. This is there's room for a few trains now, and not forgetting this is only plugged into, connected to one route over there. Eventually there will be others. So when it's over this sort of area, you can see it almost slow down a bit. So I'm going to connect it in over there as well. I'll probably still drill down there and put droppers down. But I might not connect that. I might just go from that, and then there'll be in a track. There's only going to be 2 at that side, and then the 4. No, there'll be 5 at this side. 5 or 6, 5 at this side, 5. So I've gone around slow there, and it's like I like to watch platform. And let's be honest, platform is realistic unless you've got some massive set. But also not forgetting platform at Shipley and platforms at York. Well, really tight. And in the old days, whatever they were, carriages were a lot shorter, so it worked. But as they've got more modern, they had to upgrade these curved platforms. So, and there's that minor step bit, and I remember as a kid, minor step used to scare me to death because it really were a big old gap. Right. I'm just slowly building this up to speed that I really want to sort of do it on. You'll see what I mean in a minute. It's great. You see, it definitely slowed down there. Fortunately, it's through station. So it can go a bit higher, but these things, thankfully, that's amazing. The sound. Yeah, sound. I mean, I've got 3mm of cork. I'm glad I only did 3mm. Because I like some sound. When I've got more at track, I'll be filing very little gaps in between where it should join, just to make sure they're all even. Next one, I better be quick, haven't I? Is that right? Superb. Absolutely superb. So that point no longer needs to be adjusted. eventually I'll electrify them, but I'm not into going under board. I like to see the, you can get ones which go outside at track, and I just like the look of them. Yeah, you know, eventually the people ones have a look at. I feel like I'm on Buffy Bar, when I used to shop around on the old years ago. Right, what we're going to do now is that. Oh, this one gets a bumpy. Have a listen, I'm not sure why, but I think it just catches there. So listen. Don't come off. Actually, I like the sound, but I'll have a look. It just don't come off. I'll have a look at that. Well, I've been looking at it and I can't see what's wrong with it. I've gone over it really slow as well, you know. So it works like a dream going slow, so I'm going to clue what is that. As you know, they're very outer oval are glued and did a very little bit of tacking. And as you get more to inside, I've done more tacking because it doesn't jump around as much and it holds firm, obviously pretty quick for when I'm wanting to put these chunks of flexi track in. That's fantastic. And then I'll do it next time round. You can imagine stations having 3 lines here. So that's going to be up and down, that's going to be down, that's up. Later on you'll see that it can be down as well, but it is up. No, that one doesn't go down like that. That's from when it comes from over here. Imagine it crosses over and comes on the other side. That's outstanding. It's an happier video, obviously. That's ace, is that. I'm going to get another coach next week. Just so this 3, but idea, I won't have more than 4 coaches. This platform vector, it'll take 4 coaches, no problem. The new one won't though, that's going to be more of a branch line one. And heritage line. Right, here we go. Come into park up. Well, it won't stop that quick because your drink will be all over the table, won't it? Absolutely love this. Love it. That's gorgeous, isn't it? Very good. Right, I'm glad I didn't show you it. I didn't, hopefully we're alright that. It's under 10 minutes, wow.